What's up, guys? We're going to be going to a boba tea spot called Boba Tea and Coffee. There's a meet on Fridays they do there once a month, and it's pretty cool. Lots of cool cars. The owner's awesome, so he hooks it up. But yeah, we get to see a bunch of cool stuff. So right now we're just driving, heading over there now. And if I see anything on the way, I'll turn you guys on. You guys get to see it. All right, I'll talk to y'all soon. Peace. C4's on BBS's. Looks sick. Alright, we're here at the Boba Tea meet. Gonna run down some of the cars that are already here. There's a lot of people here now. These DRLs are sick. Some more cars. They're all throughout here. They're pretty much everywhere. See if there's anything down over here that I missed that I would possibly miss. What up? What up? We actually got a decent parking spot. So. Let's see what other cars we got over this way. I gotta go check. Walking down this way. I was about to go. Just don't run over the Audi, please. You guys have a good one. 3000 GT, sick. A lot of cool cars. Is yours, sir? This looks awesome, man. I like the glow. It's a small little supercharger, not a big deal. It's beautiful, sir. Looks good. You got an Evo 5.
I was like, oh, because I wanted to take the helicopter too.
We got Romeo's C5.
You know, like normal Skylines are.
And then we got the GTT 4-door RB25.
I've never seen like a normal. Yeah, these are all.
Saki's here. What size are those Jordans?
My size.
My size. We got Bob's one slow CRX. Bob's Aranya, the Roadster.
But she was like, hey, this place is fine.
A vision board that I'll never be able to afford. It's so sick. It's not that bad once the blood drowns it out.
Yeah. Thanks for the tinnitus, dick.
Yeah. It was cool for the first rev, and then after that,
I mean, I don't know.
hopefully y'all can see me. Yeah, hopefully y'all can see me. I think you can. So right now we're just gonna go. We just ate some food, had some chilies with the homies, or had chilies with the homies. Right now we're just gonna get something to drink for the kind of decently long drive home, like a 45-minute drive. So yeah, thanks for hanging out this long. And if anything pops up, I'll show you guys it. All right, what's up, guys? So tonight was just that one meet. There's a lot of the same cars that we've seen before in the past. A couple new ones, but hopefully I captured those. But it was nice just hanging out with some friends. I hadn't been out to a Bay Area meet for like 2 weeks. I know the vlog's gonna seem like a couple of days, but yeah, I went to Offkai. I went to just Offkai, and then I'm getting ready for Anime Expo. So I'm not gonna be able to go out to many car meets. So I'm gonna try to get a lot of stuff crammed in this weekend, so that way I can make content for you guys. Thanks again for watching, though. And like I said, if I do see anything cool on the way, I'll turn the stream on. You guys can, or turn the camera on. You guys can see it. All right, what's up, guys? Sorry, it's a little. I'm in the car right now. We got a new license plate in though. Y'all can see that. It says silent in. Yeah, I can't wait to put this up. It's gonna look super sick. It more justifies the next mod. It's gonna happen to the car at some point. We're gonna do a catless downpipe to the Borla It's gonna be loud. It's gonna make this an oxymoron. So yeah, we're gonna install it. I'm gonna let y'all see what it looks like, and yeah, let me know what y'all think. All right, so old license plate and then new license plate. I didn't put the cover on there. I think it looks fine like that. Let me know what y'all think, but I like it. So, and then you can see on the front, I don't have the license plate on the front bumper, but I do have it. You can see it right there. You can barely see it in the dark, but it's right there on the and I'll show you during the daytime. Actually, let me see if the light will light it up. Let me open the door, car door. Let's see if that lights it up. Gonna walk around. A little bit, you can see a little bit. At night this might be, during the daytime the shade show this fine. But yeah, other than that guys, thanks for watching, and I'll see you all next time. Peace.
Sitting in this comfort in my work has got me fucked up.
Slow down.
Swear to God, I'm about to lose my mind and hit the
Go down.
work and go to sleep, wake up, repeat, that's how it
Goes now.
8 p.m. or something, I don't know, this town's a joke. Got some cantaloupes and natural calm, I think I'll be alright. I'll write a section for my blessings, what I got and what I don't. Should probably lay down, close my eyes around 11, probably won't. Cause I stress too much, like I'm obsessed with it. I swear anxiety's my bitch and I'ma undress it. Or maybe address it, fuck it, I talk about it too much. Summer went by way too quick, 2 days turned into 2 months. It's hot as fucking September, pounding in my left tempo. Cause this bed sucks, I would probably give my left nut to be stress-free. On an island in the sea, on a jet ski with a breeze flowing through my teeth. On a beach, sipping tea under the trees. Sometimes I think about what if and I forget about what isn't. I swear it's like I'm locked inside my mind in a prison. I'ma shine, I don't give a shit, I'll just learn to deal with it. This room is cold and dark and man, I really just ain't feeling it. But Call of Duty helps me pass the time until I get back. If you're trying to 1v1, you probably need to sit back. Who I used to be, carefree, man, I miss that. Shout out to my past, current me, here's a diss track. Fuck your stupid panic disorder, you hypochondriac. Life is too short to be missing out. I used to smoke and laugh after work, sitting in my car to the sunlight, rolling up to hit the Xbox, feeling alright. Yeah, shoot for the stars, right? How can I reach them when gravity just hits me broadside? Fuck it, I'm diving into the summit. Maybe I'll make it through and say it wasn't so bad, was it? So I thought about a hook, but I said fuck it, I'ma write it out. Good job, good friends, tell me what's to cry about. Copenhagen on my mind, I guess I'm about to give in. That shit been with me every single lyric that I've written. I guess it's a part of me, yes, it's a problem. It's a battle with some demons, man, I wonder how I got them. I've been at the bottom, I've been full throttle. Need to slow it down a little bit, Ferrari to me out of this office that I'm sitting in, a home away from home. No, I in team, but I would rather sit alone and daydream of what happens when you up and leave your castle to another country. But I wonder, is it worth the hassle? It wasn't, maybe it was, yeah, I don't know exactly. I was searching for some artificial things to make me happy, but I'm glad I did it. I found peace for a minute, I've been feeling empty, yeah, but fuck it, I'ma keep living.